Oregon's bootleg fire has grown so big that it's generating its own weather systems, including a tornado. The extreme fire behavior spawned a tornado on July 18th. That's according to a post on the Bootleg Fire Info Facebook page today. The National Weather Service office in Medford, Oregon was able to confirm the twister. More than 400,000 acres have been torched so far by the bootleg fire.
Weather coverage you can count on with meteorologist Carson and the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
And you know, here in North Alabama, really for the last 5 to 7 days, some of the smoke particles from all those wildfires in the northwestern U.S. and western Canada have made their way to North Alabama. That's the reason why it's been so hazy over the last few days. Now, what you're looking at right now is our wildfire smoke forecast. Where you see those greens and yellows and oranges, that's the higher density smoke particles in our atmosphere. So going through the next 24 to 48 hours, notice how those greens and yellows start to move off to the north and east, and we start to see those blue colors. That means less dense smoke particles around. So it'll still be just a bit hazy as we go through the rest of tomorrow and the first half of this new work week, but our air quality concerns won't be quite as high as they've been recently. We're currently in that unhealthy for sensitive groups category right now. But again, that haze is still going to stick around, and that's the reason why you're seeing very colorful sunrises and sunsets right now, including this one tonight that Porter Johnson sent us to us from Cherokee. You can see that those oranges, those bright oranges, the sun looking very bright as well. And that's the big reason why we're seeing those hazy sunrises and sunsets, because of all those smoke particles coming from the northwestern U.S. wildfires and the western Canada wildfires as well. Tonight in North Alabama, things are pretty quiet out there. Still very muggy out there, though. Look at the Wave 31 Skycam network. Temperatures still in the lower 80s in a lot of spots, including here in Huntsville and Decatur, too, where it's 80 on the dot. 83 in the Shoals and 79 degrees right now in Guntersville. All we're tracking right now on the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network, that one downpour right over Athens and Limestone County. No lightning with any of that activity, but if you're in Athens right now, you might be hearing a couple of raindrops outside. We should start to dry things out, though, in the next 15 to 30 minutes. Looking ahead to tomorrow, what we saw today, well, we're going to see it all over again tomorrow. 92 degrees, that's your forecast high. The one difference with your Sunday compared to today, our thunderstorm coverage is going to be a bit more widespread. It's a 30% chance tomorrow, but it's not going to be enough to cool us down. So stay cool, stay hydrated, take plenty of breaks outside if you're going to be out for long periods of time tomorrow. Heading out to the season for the regular season for the last homestand game, that is for the Rocket City Trash Pandas taking on the Tennessee Smokies. First pitch tomorrow night, 6:35. Of course, you can watch that game on this TV channel 31.6. We'll have the chance for a couple of thunderstorms to linger by first pitch tomorrow night. Still very warm out there, 87 degrees. And by the time we get to the 7th inning, 81 degrees tomorrow night out at Toyota Field. Fingers crossed they'll get that game in. I think they will. Here's future radar. It's all quiet overnight tonight. Watch what happens around lunchtime tomorrow afternoon, though. There you see some of those spotty shower storms developing by noon, lasting through the afternoon. There's a chance some of this activity might linger past sunset tomorrow night. We'll watch that closely. But even so, activity should start to taper off after midnight. And then by Monday, that activity bubbles up once again with more pop-up showers and storms going through your Monday afternoon. But looking ahead to tomorrow, in addition to those showers and storms, we're going to have to watch that heat index once again. Like I mentioned, by 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, feeling like the lower 90s, and then we'll feel like the triple digits right around lunchtime, lasting through 2, 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, and still feeling like the mid to upper 90s by 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. So again, stay cool and stay hydrated if you're going to be outside tomorrow. 7-day forecast, 92 your forecast high, back to right around 90 degrees Monday and Tuesday. Then our rain chances go down, and we are back into the mid 90s by Wednesday and Thursday. We'll be right back.